Do you want to be a more engaging writer? Well, put your readers on the slide, not the monkey bars. Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, the playground rule for being a better writer. Think about a playground. Think about the slide and think about the monkey bars. When you go down the slide, what happens? Well, the slide keeps you going. There's nothing that you have to do. Your natural weight and momentum just takes you all the way down to the end. Now, what about the monkey bars? Well, the monkey bars, you are reaching and grabbing and trying to swing your body from one bar to the other, and there's a good chance that you're probably not going to make it across. Which one was easier? Which one required you to put in less effort? Obviously, the slide. And therein lies an important lesson about becoming an engaging writer. You need to write in a way that makes it easy for your readers to move throughout the piece of writing that you've just drafted, whether it's a brief, whether it is a letter, whether it's an article or a blog post. You should always be thinking, how can I put my readers on the slide and not the monkey bars? So what does this mean in real life? Well, the burden is on you, the writer, to create content for your readers that makes it easy for them to understand and to digest. You don't want to make them work. You want them to ride that slide, not the monkey bars. So when you're crafting content, everything should flow. Your sections should flow and make sense as they progress and as you get through your content. One sentence should lead to the next sentence, should lead to the next sentence. One paragraph should lead to the next paragraph and the next paragraph. Everything should flow. You should never be rereading your content and wondering, well, I don't think this was a clean transition. Your transitions should be smooth and flawless. You want to guide the reader. You don't want to confuse them. You don't want to trip them up. You want to make it easy for them to progress through your content, because if they can't get through it easily, they're not going to be able to focus on understanding the content, and it's going to look bad on you. It'll reflect poorly on you because you weren't able to get them from point A to point B, from the initial starting point of the piece of content to the conclusion. This takes practice. It is not easy to have smooth transitions and for your content to just feel like it flows all the way down the page and from one page to the next. But with practice, anyone can become a better, more engaging writer by remembering the rule to make sure that they put their readers on the slide and not the monkey bars. If you're interested in learning more about how to create compelling marketing and business development content, check out lawfirmeditorialservice.com. We have plenty of blogs and videos that can help you do just that.